Good morning friends. In the previous video, we have learned about the variable and data types. In the previous video, types of variables and data type I have introduced you. But in this video, we are going to learn more about the next part of variable. How to define the variable, how to initialize the variable, how to declare the variable, likewise. Okay. So in the previous video, one chart is also there that defines the how much size is required for bit, short, int, long, float, double, char and boolean type of data. Okay, these are the primitive data types, that is bit, int, short, all over 8 types of primitive data type. In the reference data type, it is data type are based on the class rather than any primitive data type. Okay. To declare the reference data type, actually simply list a class name instead of primitive data type. Only class name we required for it. Okay. And then below statement create reference object from class. Okay. Suppose, for example, bike is a class. Okay, what? Bike is a class name. And then below this statement, create reference object B from class. Okay, so bike B is the reference data type. Likewise, so all about reference data type. Too clear to you. Okay, so rules also we have discussed in previous video, and for example I have again want to introduce to you, that is variable. It is variable name, that is a. We have taken the variable name as a, and the int type of information, it is store. The variable store the information inside this block having name a and information of type integer. Okay, it can be integer, string, character, anything you want to store here. So this is simple idea of a variable. I hope you understand. Okay. Variables are of three types: local variables, instance variables and class variables. In the local variables, it declared inside the method only. That is a public static void main string argument. This is our main method. Inside the local variable are defined. Second is instance variable, declared outside the method but inside the class. Remember, and local inside the method and instance outside the method. And third type is class variable. So class variables are static variable which cannot be changed. That variables are not dynamic in nature. That is integer, for example. Okay. So what type of variables are accepted according to rules? Do read that rules in the previous video, and for recollecting that rules I want to give you the example. So in the first example, all letters are small letter. Yes, P double E D, all are small letters. So yeah, this is acceptable. Okay. In the second example, variable name can be start with the capital letter as well. So yeah, it is also accepted. Variable name can be started with the blank space as well. So it is accepted. But what are not accepted variables? That I want to tell you. First one is speed of bike. That is, anything into the bracket is not defined as the variable. Okay. Second is it is not applicable. Second is it cannot be started with the number as well. Okay. No variable is started with the number, so it is also not accepted. And third one is spaces are not included in the variable. Okay. these spaces are not included. Okay,